What's on your mind? Hey, what is on your mind though? Still I'm over here, I'm showing love though. Saying that what is on your mind though? Saying I come and show me love though. Saying that what is on your mind though? I come and show me love though. So what is on your mind though? I come and show me love. So now that then I'm coming over here to show some love. Still I'm over here to, and you know I'm cutting up. What's up, everybody? I want y'all to see something. You know, since everybody talking about a watermelon war, why not I joined the watermelon war? Let me show you what I did. Since y'all all talking about a watermelon. Woo. Look at this. Look at this. Let's go weigh it. Let's go step on it first. I don't got that wasted like all the other watermelon people that be doing it. Oh, I turned the wrong way, my bad. This thing is 35 pounds. 35 pounds. 35.3. So, I don't know if y'all seen it, but it's 35.3. Nice size watermelon. I guess I didn't win the watermelon war because I seen somebody with a 40. But that's alright. I'm coming for you. Peace.